Hi there, welcome to Global English Connect. Here, we're not just learning English, but also building global connections. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance, our lessons are designed to boost your confidence in speaking English. If you find our content helpful, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Don't forget to like and share to help others learn to connect and grow together in English. This video is aimed at English learners, especially those who want to improve their communication skills. From the most basic steps to building confidence in conversations, it takes viewers on a journey from silence and shyness to confidently participating in discussions and clearly expressing thoughts. The video combines practical, easy-to-apply methods, offering lessons on pronunciation, vocabulary, and phrasing in English. Viewers will learn how to start conversations, express emotions and ideas, and even handle communication challenges. Part 1. Beginning the journey. Silence is not the end. Many English learners struggle with the fear of speaking. This often stems from fear of making mistakes, lack of vocabulary, or simply low confidence. However, remember that silence is not the end, it's the foundation to build new skills. Building a strong foundation. Start with listening as a powerful method. Learners can use resources like English podcasts, news, and simple conversations to get used to tones, intonations, and vocabulary in different contexts. This gradual exposure helps learners understand how native speakers communicate in daily life. Part 2. From listening to speaking. Taking the first step. Begin with simple sentences. A short greeting or self-introduction is an excellent way to start. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect. By experimenting and practicing, you'll improve over time. Focusing on basic vocabulary, prioritize learning common everyday vocabulary and how to use it in different situations. Rather than trying to learn too many new words at once, focus on a set of words related to common topics like work, family, or hobbies. This way, you'll gradually build a vocabulary base and use it naturally. Part 3. Strengthening skills through practice. Practicing with podcasts. Podcasts are a fantastic resource because you can listen and repeat to better understand pronunciation and intonation. Try listening to a short segment, then repeat what you've heard. Gradually, you'll feel more comfortable repeating longer sentences, and your pronunciation will improve. Joining study groups. Find a group or community of English learners to practice with. Engaging with others will help you feel more comfortable speaking. This is also an opportunity to learn from others' experiences and improve communication skills through real-life conversations. Part 4. Overcoming communication challenges. Facing shyness. To overcome shyness, accept that making mistakes is normal when learning a new language. Focus on what you're saying instead of worrying about others' reactions. Confidence is key to moving forward in your English learning journey. Receiving feedback and improving. Whenever you encounter difficulties or feel unsatisfied with your answers, note them down and find ways to improve. Being self-aware of your weaknesses helps you gradually refine your skills. Part 5. Exploring useful resources. Learning resources. Besides podcasts, you can use English learning apps, watch movies and TV shows, or read English books and articles to diversify your learning methods. Each resource brings different benefits, helping you grasp the language comprehensively. Learning through real-life application. Don't hesitate to use English in everyday life. Try communicating with native speakers or even talking to yourself in English. Every time you practice is an opportunity to become more comfortable using the language. Part 6. Staying motivated and persistent. Patience and consistency. The journey from silence to fluent speech requires patience and determination. Don't give up when things get tough. Even a small improvement each day will bring you closer to your goal. Setting concrete goals. To stay motivated, set achievable small goals. For instance, Challenge yourself to say one English sentence each day, or finish one podcast episode per week. These goals will help you stay motivated and recognize your progress.